Hey guys, welcome to Happiness with Hema. And I'm so happy to share hair tutorial with scarf and some interesting scarf hacks you must know. So many of my Instagram friends have requested me to make step-by-step tutorial of this scarf hairstyle. Well, I'm bringing not only this hairdo but also few quick scarf hacks which you will be happy to know. As you all know, I love to endorse sustainable fashion, and scarf hairdo, this scarf hack is a perfect example of sustainable fashion. So let's learn this easy, stylish and elegant scarf hairstyle. All you need is your favorite scarf. So let's get started. Now what all we need? We need rubber bands, some bobby pins, of course your favorite scarf, and tail comb to section your hair. Well, this is optional. Well, you can use tail comb or you can use your fingers. I love to use my fingers for sectioning my hair. Section your hair from front and from crown into two for ponytails. Now here I'm sharing a very important tip with you. Whenever you are making some messy hairstyle, make sure you are not combing with the comb but you are finger combing your hair, because finger combing gives nice volume and bounce to your hair. So now with a rubber band, tie this section, the front section, keep it aside, and finger comb your second ponytail and secure it with rubber band. So now you have one front section and two ponytails ready. Take the corner of the scarf and from the back like this, put your fingers from the middle of the ponytail and pull it through. Now roll it up, roll the scarf from the back so that you are securing it little neatly, and then again put your fingers neatly from the middle of the ponytail and pull the scarf gently like this. Make sure the scarf is in the middle, both sides the scarf is equal. Now divide your hair into two, keeping scarf as a third section. Make a simple braid, 3-strand braid. That's pretty simple, right? So make it till the end and then secure the end with a rubber band. Now repeat the same process at this end. Divide the hair into two, keeping scarf as a third section. Make a simple braid, 3-strand braid till the end and secure it with a rubber band. Now that both the braids are ready, I will turn around and show you from the back. Take both the braids from the opposite direction like this. Settle these braids as per your comfort, and from the front you can tie it roughly so that you can take care of your front section first. Comb your front section neatly. You can set it and settle it with some water, gel, whatever you feel like, and then secure the end with the bobby pins, and also settle and set your braid. If anything you want to settle, this is a time you can do that as per your desire. And now how you can secure your front, I can teach you two ways. So one way is this way. Just roll it up and secure the ends inside and pin it up with a bobby pin. So this is when you don't like anything popping up as a bow or something. And second way, which is one of my favorite, is just tie a little knot at the corner of the hair. And now your hairdo is ready. I hope you find this hairstyle super duper easy, elegant and convenient. You can try this hairstyle whenever you're going for long travel, you're going for some sports event, you're going for some shopping. Anytime you don't want your hair to budge from here to there and look stylish yet classy. And now one special tip for the people with a straight hair. You know one secret and best part of this hairdo? It's gonna work like a heatless curl. So when you open, you will get curly and wavy hair. How fascinating, isn't it? Simple and sustainable way to be stylish. Well, I bet you're going to find this very easy and gonna try it. Especially if you're a scarf lover like me. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your other friends. Remember, your comments and your support keep me motivated to keep sharing my best tips with you all. Well, now let's move to another part, scarf hair hack part 1. I bet you all have hair bands like these. But how many bands you'll buy? 5, 10, 20? You can't, right? Actually, you don't have to, because this kind of a band we are going to create out of this or any kind of ordinary band. How? With the help of scarf. So it's going to be your customized hairband with scarf hack. So let's get started. Well, today I'm going to customize this orange hairband. So take one ordinary band and scarf of your choice. Now, in the middle, make a knot like this. So simple, right? Step 2 is very simple. Twisting the scarf around the corner and covering the corners. And now, your headband is almost ready. Place it on your head. Secure it well and tie it from the back. Make a knot. And here you go, your customized headband is ready.
Wow!
So friends, isn't it so easy, simple and sustainable? Well, we are not done yet. Stay tuned for scarf hair hack part 2. So for this, all you need to do is first, with the help of scrunchie or spiral band, make low bun. I've made many videos on how to make simple bun. You can catch up on that. And now, take the headband, place it on your head, adjust it well. From back, roll the scarf around your bun and secure the ends nicely. And here you go. Another beautiful scarf hack is ready, and I promise this will give a beautiful, unique look to your personality. Do try. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends. They might be needing these simple scarf hacks and scarf hairstyles. And of course, you can thank me later. And don't forget to convey me if you want to see more of sustainable hacks and fashion vlogs and some hair tutorials. Well, for now, take care, stay stylish. Bye.